In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Bitdefender security app not working. If you're experiencing any challenge with your Bitdefender, maybe the app is not responding, it can't open, or it is too slow, then let me show you how you can fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, there are quite a number of methods or steps you should take to fix any issues with your app. In the first method, we need to access the app info page for us to do this. To do that, just long press on your app and you should see app info, or if you can't see app info, you should see a settings gear or the name of the app. Tap on any of these to access Bitdefender security app information page. At this point, first we want to clear the app data. So if I go to storage, you can see a breakdown of data stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. To clear cache data, go to clear data down below and then choose clear cache, which is the second option, and finally confirm by tapping on OK. And as you can see, our cache data has been cleared. At this point, start your smartphone. Go ahead now, open your app, and this should have fixed your issues. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then you might want again to come back here, and this time around go to clear data and choose clear all data and OK, and then you'll have to log in afresh for you to be able to use your account. However, if these two methods fails, then you need to go ahead and look for any update if it is available from Google Play Store. It might be the reason your app is malfunctioning. So if there is an update, for my case I don't have because I have the latest version, go ahead and update it to the latest version to fix any issues. But should you still encounter issues such as the app crashes even after doing all this, then you'll need to go ahead and uninstall the app and then install it afresh. So by using any of these methods, now your app should be fixed and without any issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.